You know, all right. I need to blow my nose out and put Vicks Vapors Rub. It's okay, okay, okay. You know, okay, women, or it's some. I mean, it's just it is what. Okay, okay. You see a woman, the feet. Okay, I'm not material listed. Is it okay? The height at the point, like feet, eyes. It's the eyes. You know what I mean? Like the eyes count, but then like the feet. I mean, you don't want that to be revealed, but it's just like the eyes, not the necessarily the movement, but what correlates between the eyes and uh, the nail. You know what I mean? Like, or even like the purse. You know what I mean? Like the purse or posture, the posture of the purse itself. If she's when women palm a purse, like when women hold a purse with their palm or their hands, or the buckle, when they play with the buckle, like yeah, it dictates the eyes like that. Yeah.